Of the air shall carry the word.
Polly wanna.
Shut up! I'm an eagle.
Can I get some service over here, please?
That guy. Yeah, cute. He found a parrot and he took one of your books.
He speaks?
Remember our little talk? No one unavailable this time?
Mom, I'm almost 30. You can stop raising me now, you know?
I found a parrot, and I'm trying to return it to its owner.
Surprise! Wait, I'll help you with your parrot search. Well, look who's got my number.
Shut up!
Forgot how awful he is. Then why did you answer the ad?
He's worth a fortune.
I'll give you $1,000 for him.
It's under the parrot.
He actually said it. Why does everything have to be such a big deal secret with you?
He has no family at all. You sure he just doesn't want you to meet them?
I think from way back, like the 1930s.
That would make the parrot 80 years old.
Parrots are like the giant tortoises of the bird world.
I'm calling about the parrot you owned, Mr. Stawalski, back in the 60s.
What are you talking about?
It's him! I don't believe it. He's still alive.
Sure you want to do this?
I'm here about this parrot. I believe your father owned him.
Mr. Roosevelt?
How could that be?
I hope you find what you're looking for.
What are you doing?
Just don't bail on me, Fiona.
I don't know where to go next.
Being lost is only temporary.
Why, thank you.